Well, we've got the markets at flat as a pie really at this point in time. We've got 55.72 that's been clocked in on the Nifty, and the Sensex just about managing to hold its head above the water with gains of about 26 odd points. What's moving the markets then, the benchmarks at least, we've got the bank Nifty as well that's trading relatively flat at this point. 11,355 is the level it's at. What needs to be pulled up also is an Ambuja Cements. That's the biggest loser on the Nifty at this point in time. It's off by about 2% already. And Ultratech as well is not having a good session right now. In addition to that, we've got a Lupin that's at 564, down and out by about 2%. A Tata Power as well under a fair bit of selling pressure. It's 1.5% that's been lost there. Kotak Mahindra Bank then, that's trading at a level of about 616, so about 1% off there as well. But however, what we have on the gaining side today is a couple of auto names. In fact, four-wheelers, two-wheelers, all of them are largely having a good run today. Maruti Suzuki right now at the session highs, really 4% higher in the session. M&M as well, it's good gains coming in there of about 1.6%. From the two-wheeler side, then, we've got a Bajaj Auto as well as a Hero MotoCorp. Both those counters trading with gains of close to 1%. In terms of some of the other big movers then in the session, from the IT pack, a Hexaware deserves a mention because there seems to be some bit of fun selling that's being spotted for a Hexaware. It's down and out by close to about 4.7%. Not just that, what we also have doing well is the likes of a Honeywell as well as an AstraZeneca. It's a couple of those divestment candidates there. Those are trading well in the session. They've come off the session highs, however, and on the losing side then, for the mid-cap index, what we have is an Octa Circuits that's lost about 5%. Deccan Chronicle also features on the losing list.
All right, let's do a quick check on the currency and the fixed income markets as well. The rupee, you've seen a very strong pullback from levels of 55.15 that it ended at last Friday. You're seeing it pull back very strongly, so it's up roughly 0.35% or 20 paise up, trading above the 55 per dollar mark. Now, this is because of weakness that you've seen play out on the US dollar and the fact that emerging market currencies have gained in trades today. Across Asia, you're seeing equities hold up. India is, of course, an exception where you're seeing flattish trades. But across the region, you've seen all emerging market currencies gain simply because of this risk-on sentiment that's coming back. Investors buying into equities, and to that extent, you are seeing emerging market currencies gain, the dollar taking a bit of a hit. And that's helping the rupee, of course, hold up at 54.98. In the fixed income markets, we should also check in over there. And you did see yields, trade flattish, and it's been at those levels for a while now. The big news, really, if you will, that the markets are looking for is some sort of announcement from the Reserve Bank of India in terms of open market operations. You need to remember that the average daily liquidity deficit in the system is running at over 100,000 crores. So today, in fact, it's gone at 111,000 crores. Last Thursday was at about 112,000 crores. So that's the level at which you're seeing the deficit at. And that, to that extent, it is the liquidity really within the fixed income markets is the big, in the money markets is the big concern that traders have. So any announcement on that front is, or rather some announcement on that front is what traders are looking for. And whether or not you'll see something come from the Reserve Bank of India is important. But as we speak, 8.19% is where the yield on the 10-year benchmark bond is at. It's actually come off marginally from earlier levels of 8.2%, but 8.19 as we speak.